So I've been in the industry for about 26, 27 years. I've been in the medical device probably about 15 years, working for a lot of startups, doing product launches, development of products. And then some of the roles I've had are VP of marketing, domestic and international, director of sales domestically. And the current role that I have is on the pharmaceutical side. I've been with this great company for about 8 years, and I was the director of strategic accounts. What I'm finding is for the past 8 years, things have changed quite a bit. Now that you're looking for jobs on LinkedIn, I'm finding that they'll direct you to the website. You're going to go ahead and post on the job, fill the application out, but then where? What do you do next? Well, then what I have to do is go back in through LinkedIn, try to find a contact or someone in my network that knows somebody that knows the hiring manager so I can get in front of. And with the current environment right now, the beginning of the year, there are a lot of professionals out there looking for employment, looking for career changes. So I try to use some of the outplacement services. And what I found was they weren't really helpful. I found out that I was really just a number. Half the time when they would contact me, they didn't even look at my resume. They didn't know my last name. They would confuse Keith James. They'd call me James Keith. I'm like, I just didn't feel like they really put the time and effort to really get to know me, what my frustrations are, what my career aspirations were. They were just trying to check a box, and you can feel it right away. That's all they were doing. I reached out to you first, Kevin, and then you introduced me to your partner, Keith. And the minute we connected, I just felt like you were really interested in what my ideas were, what my ideas for my next career path was. You were legitimately wanting to help with that, already looking at your network. Probably the first 5 minutes, I think I haven't told you, I'm sold. You guys have differentiated yourself well above any of the other people I've talked to. I felt like you looked at my resume, you know what my career aspirations are, and you truly want to help me. And I can't tell you how much I appreciate that. You guys showed me 2 or 3 minutes on our first call that I really didn't know LinkedIn as quite as well as I thought I did. There's a couple things, again, you have to be flawless in your execution. There's a couple things that I didn't know about, so I missed. You pointed it out to me. We made the changes right away. And next day, I started getting more hits. I started getting people to reach out to me. So just that 2-minute discussion of, hey, Keith, you're missing this, this, and this. I knocked the ball out of the park. It would taken me, all day long just to get probably 8 people. I implemented your system day one. I got 8 people in 2 hours responding to me. Now that's huge. These people don't know me from Adam. They're looking at my LinkedIn page that you guys helped me update. It looks professional. They're reaching out to me and say, how can we help you? Let me pass your name on to somebody that I may know. I'm blown away by that. And that right there is, it just speaks volume.